Okay, unboxing the Phantom 3 Advance that I sent back to DJI in Holland for a crack in the shell. Sent it back about 2 weeks ago. They've sent it back in the same box that I sent it to them in, which wasn't the original box, because I didn't trust them to send the original box back. How they've packaged it. Can't remember if that's the original packaging that I used. Looks good enough. I could have used some of that polystyrene stuff, but we didn't. So the gimbal clamp is still on. That little noise was a delivery notification from UPS. They delivered it about 10 minutes ago. So this has got a new shell. Let me just have a look. It's got that mark that I had before on the motor. Let's see whether, first of all, the crack is gone. If I can see any other cracks. Put new stickers on the arms. That wasn't stuck down properly. I will be putting motor arm strengtheners on here, on the shell here, and also I've read that you should loosen these screws a little bit because they over tighten them. Let's see, I think, yeah, it's the original Phantom drone that I sent them. The address label sticker that I had on here is obviously gone because it's a new shell. I'm pretty sure they have done what they said they were going to do, which is to replace the top and bottom shell. You've put a new sticker on here. So that's not stuck down properly either. It all looks okay. I can't see any cracks. Some marking here where they've pushed it in with a tool that I just rubbed off. Push the shell in to get it to click in that point. It all seems absolutely fine. I will be doing a flight test very shortly. Let's just take each of these in turn. No cracks there. No cracks there. And there. And finally, none there. There we are. all okay, I think.